Happy birthday! Baby, oh! Wow! Hi! What fish is that? Fish. O, sa kabila naman. Little fish.
Baby shark.
Wow, ang daming fish! Wow, ang laki ng fish! Alaki, akit na tayo.
Ang laki ng dog.
Picture. Dali. Bigyan na ako ng bahala dyan. Naka! What's that? Ang laki! Crocodile! Wow! Ang dami pang fish! Wow! Ang laki naman ng fish! Hi, fish! Wow! Nakailan ang laki pang fish, oh! Turtle, oh! Nako, kinakain mo yun ng tilapia. Hi, fish! Ay, maliliit na yan eh. Ay, nak, malaki pang fish. Ay, nako. Nako, fish. Wow, fish. Ang laki. Teka, pasok ko tayo sa loob. Dahil ko na ata dun eh.
Look, oh, there's a small thing.
Hi! Hello! Ha?
Mga specification nila pa.
La, why are you scared? Nako! Wow! Small fish? Wala na ito. Ano yan, mga sea snakes? Wow, what's that? Nakita. Bakit? You're scared? Ang cute ng mga fish na ko. Nako! Mara! Hi! Hi! sa taas, oh.
Hi! Daming fish. Huwag ka matakot dyan. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Ayan yung pagi, oh. Ginagawang latig, oh.
Meron. Bigyan ko na. Sige, ako na dyan. Halika na. May fish din pala dito. Yay! Penguin! Wala.
Ah! Water.
Wow! Ang dilim. Come and meet me.
Ano penguin? Isda o ibon?
Isda. Ay, ibon na tayo kasi kumakain na.
Give a smile.
Ayan eh.
Hindi pinapakain.
Ang cute.
What is that?
Halika na.
sige. Okay. Wala bang naiwan? Puro toys. Yan na naman po siya. May magwawala na naman. Halika na, wag. Yay, di siya nagwala. Wow! Kasi sobrang init. Ganyan lang pala siya, lalabas na tayo. Halika na, bye-bye! Wow! Hi daw na ko! Wow, ang taas na ko. Nasa taas yung jeep. Halika na. Oh, yan doon! Playground! Wow, hello, ring ring! Makakalimutan niya din yan.
Buwan na.
Ito, ayo, pili na. Kala ko, ano lang. Wow! What's that?
Buwan na.
Oh, ano ulit? Ano ulit?
What's that, baby?
What's that again?
What's that? Iguana.
Picture tayo. Selfie.
Hindi na.
Papicture mo ako ni Bebe.
Video lang niya. Iguana, oh. What's that?
What's that?
Eating, oh, eating.
Iguana? Lang naman. Creepy crawlers. Oh no. Gusto makita. Halika, next. Oh, frog.
Si Frog.
Asan yung frog? Frog. 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 Frog? Ate, yung tingnan mo. Saka naka-video, ba't yun yun? Hawak. Paano ba ano?
Saka iba yung mukha niya. No?
Ano yun? Parang nakalunod.
Florida, snapping.
Ayun, no? Turtle. Another turtle. Ayun, ang ganda.
May tarantula pa. Oh.
Nagagamba ka.
Spider! Spider!
Spider?
Lucas? Lucas?
Lucas, ito si Lucas.
Lucas!
Dito mo kami, sama kami.
Spider!
Spider?
Spider!
Another one, another.
Oh no!
Okay naman. Another spider. What's that? Saan? Saan yung lizard? Ayun, nagtatago. O, kabila. Next. Snake yan? Oh no! Snake!
Oh, Pac-Man frog.
Monster? No, that's not monster, oh.
Look, snake. Looking at snake. Hi, snake.
Ah, picture kayo? Ayo, look oh. That's big. What's that? That's a big snake. Oh, let's check here. Lalas na to. Oh my God. Lolo.
Dito snake.
Welcome to Manila Ocean Park's All-Star Bird Show. Big Sassy Rocks are of Premium ako. And today, they will battle out series.
Bigyan mo na ng cellphone pa.
Rocky! Rocky! Alright, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set! Go! Here's one first ball, followed by Sassy. Second ball for Rocky. Come on, everyone! Here comes Sour! Yes! Wow, so cute! And as you can see, we are homing pigeons. Homing pigeons have homing ability. Their chance to return to the nest and make. A round of applause for our raptors, our chickens, and our homing pigeons. Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer AJ, and I'd like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On the left side is one of the eldest female South American sea lion that we have, and she is the smartest. Wow, confident! Her name is Yeti, together with trainer Albert. Say hi! Well, on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here, and that makes her the cutest. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ida, together with trainer John. Say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called feet or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have letters? Well, let's ask them. Hey guys, do you have letters? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like bird's feet. See those? That word depends on be translated as sweet-footed. front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about us for Sea Lion friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? And now pause for Sea Lion friends. As you can see, their bodies covered with their whiskers to make navigation or to detect vibration from brain to work. And their small external ears give them princess hearing both up and below the water surface. Sea lions and Cameron mammals can see
Picture tayo na to.
and underwater.
Selfie ka,
They
selfie.
have keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they have waters close to shores, flat land mixed with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climate which can scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Surely some rock flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming ability. Sea lions generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is the normal speed. Nice and easy. Wow, look at that! That is a surely fast swim. How about for Yanni? That's one. Great job, girl. Wow, nice line. And then I won. You're asking for it? Now, here's an interesting story about a sea lion. They hold breath for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that give the domestic diver would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected with radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. These landmarks, traders, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready, guys? Go! This time, could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and let's make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute, everybody. Wow, thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, so trainers, what's next? The balls. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Let's go, girls. Stay there. Fantastic. How about us for Yanni and Ida? Great job. Now this time, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Would you love to see them dance? Well, music, maestro. And we were dancing. Let's go, ladies. And into the water found away. Twisted and turning. What a nice twisted, ladies. Ready? And let's go! Yeehaw! Round of course, we like France and for the kids as well for that great dance number. Wow, sweet. Thank you, Yenny, Ira, and trainers. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, South American Sea Lion, Yenny, and Ira. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that